Okay, so this is the other shed here that we have here on our home outside the farm. 20 foot 1020 grain head. Tell you what, this thing here, man, we thought this thing was a toy. I just looked at my channel. I don't have any videos of our 1440. I thought I did, but I guess they all got deleted. The 1440 was running a wee little 15-foot head. Holy cow, was that thing tiny. Then we thought we were kings when we got this 20-foot. Well, we thought we were doing good. So here comes that tool truck so we can put air in this tire and get going again. What did he say it was? Right there. Oh, it's a goofy spot for a valve stem on the inside. What the heck? Yeah, I can't check. Still going yet. Darn it. Crap. I hate when that happens. Until next month. Should have had him look at them tires while over here for the grain cart, but we're all right. There we go. Ooh, excuse me. Everything should be ready to go in this grain cart. That tire looks low. Or is it? This is a tabletop level building. When the previous owner had it poured, I guess it's all right. So, just doing some maintenance. So, I was surprised the thing fired right up. So.